Hello, I'm going to present to you our new innovative solution for the light-duty easy assembly series. Is this sealing gasket, which will make sure that your assembly will be waterproof. Now, this assembly uses the receptacle to have the spring force. To install this series, it's very easy. You have your panel thickness, which you've already calculated. Note that you still need to add 1 millimeter of thickness of your sealing gasket so you have the correct stud length. After you've calculated the correct stud length, you put on the sealing gasket like this, put it through the panel, then use a retaining washer to hold the stud in place. Note that I've used a plastic washer because it's much easier to install and will go for a much easier installation process. There we go. Then just, since the receptacle is already installed, you see the quarter hole. You just need a screwdriver. And it's installed. And now you have a fully waterproof Turnlock assembly. If you have any other questions or another inquiry, you can always contact me on info@turnlock.eu. Thank you for listening.